welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna share what I think are the top 5 financial mistakes that people make. So if you're interested in hearing what my thoughts are on what not to do, then keep on watching. Number 1 is using a credit card. Now, I totally get that you can get points and earn rewards on using a credit card and then paying off the balance. But what's not good is using a credit card because you want to purchase something that you cannot afford. So don't spend money that you just don't have, because you're kind of digging yourself a bigger hole, if you get what I'm saying. Number 2 is using your refund money. So this could be your tax refund money or any credit that you get back from a company that you may have overpaid on something, and you're using that on unnecessary things. Why don't you just use it to pay off some debt or put it aside in an emergency fund? That's just what my thoughts are. Number 3 is not budgeting. If you fail to plan out your finances, then you're planning to fail in that area of your life. You want to lay out a plan on where you're spending your money. So budget, budget, budget. Number 4 is failing to make a grocery list. So when you go to the grocery store and you do not have a plan on what you're gonna purchase for that week, then you're more likely to overspend and buy items that you may have already have in your pantry. So you will definitely save money on making a list and planning out what you're gonna get at a grocery store. Again, when you fail to plan, you're planning on failing. Lastly, number 5 is not keeping up with your bank account. I see this almost every day in the field of work I am in, and people do not have a check register. So this is a way for you to keep track of your finances. There may be something that you had forgot that you paid out earlier that week that hasn't cleared your account. So you really need to keep up with your account. Get a check register. There are a ton of free apps available to you so that you can keep track and notate everything that you are spending. By not doing this, a lot of times what ends up happening is they end up using the money that's in their bank account, and then that transaction comes through and causes an overdraft. So the moral of this lesson is to just track your spending. Keep a check register. Now, what are some other financial mistakes that you can think of? Have you fallen victim to the top 5 I listed here? If you did, leave a comment with like an ice cream emoji or something. That way we all can kind of like laugh with this together and learn from one another on what not to do. And that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, guys. Bye.